see, let's put it over here a second. They've got a bit of a lighting issue here, and this LED tape seems to be a little bit knackered. And there's a little bit of a loose connection over here. Not really sure what's happened. So I'm going to need to sort of like try and chase it back. You've got a little bit over there as well that's come off. So I'm just going to have a little play around, see if I can get these all connected back up and get them their lights that they want. I might, one of the fit out people may have put it God knows where, but just down here.
Okay, so it's a little bit difficult to see, but I'll try and show you. But if we look in there, you can just kind of see in there, just that is where the LED drivers are in there. So I'm going to need to take this section of shelving out. So as you can see, I've managed to get that all out. Obviously, let's take off all these glasses, but there we are. There's the drivers and the LED modules. So what I'm going to need to do is obviously start taking a look at this and trying to work out which one is not giving me the power that I need on the bar.
All the fun of the job, being in a little kind of cupboard like this, trying to find what the drama is. So I'm going to check each individual driver, see which ones are giving out any power. Doesn't look like these ones. How it works is obviously the power comes in on the left hand side, then we've obviously got the 24 volt LED driver, and then it goes into the Wi-Fi dimmer controls. Yeah, so we're going to put our little probes onto oh, I've got it on hold, so you can see we've got 24 volts there, so we're good to go there. However, yeah, when we come on to the outgoing side of here, which is the bit that's controlled via the app, yeah, going to put our little probes on there and see we're not getting anything. But if we go on to this one up here, we can see that this one's working, so we're on the positive, and then we're going to go into the negative there, and you see you've got juice. Yeah, so that tells me that there's an issue, either that they need to be turned on or there's an issue with this. So I'll probably just I'll probably just link it out for now, see if I can get them working, and if there is a problem with this, then I'll need to get a new one.
Looking at this control here, this is what controls all the lights in the property. They have like their sort of like an app where they can be controlled by their smartphone, or in this case a iPad, and just by pressing the buttons it looks like all the power is on. So it goes from that controller via the Wi-Fi then onto one of those modules, and then that allows the power to go onto the bar. But by pressing all those buttons and doing what I can do anyway, it says that it's on, so I can't really do any more than that. So yeah, I will be contacting the manufacturer at a later stage, but for now all I can do is just link it out and hope that I can get it back on. So yeah, I linked it out, and as you can see I've managed to get sections of the bar back on. We're going to go all the way around to the front, and you can see underneath there that that's also working now. So we all seem to be good, apart from a small section here which will need to be repaired, and then we go around to this section over here as well. It doesn't seem to want to work around there as well. So anyway, I've come back to this section here. This is a bit that's not working, and you can see there's the old bit of the original tape there that I've basically taken off, because when I put those on the right hand side, that's the actual mains power, it just wouldn't come on. So I thought what I'll do is I'll cut it off and I'll try and get a direct connection onto the tape that's remaining. And it just about, you can't really see on the video, but it's just about trying to kind of light up. So I was like, okay, something's not right there. So I got another piece from another part of the bar, and I've obviously connected it up with the existing, and there you go, she's working. So it just looks like this remaining part of the tape is faulty, so we'll just need to obviously change that over.
Alright, so I thought I had the tape on the van, but I didn't, so I've had to go to the wholesaler and get it. Has to be IP65 though, because being in a bar area, anything less than that is just going to get totally knackered, and it'll kind of get water damage. So yeah, that's what I had to get, and I had to try and find someone that had it. And Eddie's were the only one to add it. It cost me a small fortune. I had to sit myself down once I bought it, but anyway, it is what it is. So now you can see the job is completed, or the LED tape is working around the whole bar, and the customer is happy, and we're on to the next one. Thanks for watching.